Now, in today's class, let us discuss what were the financial sector reforms under liberalization. Financial sector, which includes banking and non-banking financial institutions, stock exchange market and foreign exchange market, was earlier controlled by Reserve Bank of India. But liberalization implied a shift in the role of Reserve Bank of India from a regulator to a facilitator of the financial sector. Now commercial bankers were given liberty to decide their interest rate structure. Now competition prevails rather than controls. Now after that there are fiscal reforms. These reforms relate to revenue and expenditure of the government. Tax reforms are the main component of fiscal reforms. There are direct taxes and indirect taxes. Before liberalization, tax system was complicated and evasive. Due to burden of tax, people often evade the payment of taxes. Now tax system was simplified and moderated. This raised tax compliance and therefore tax revenue of the government. Now then, there are external sector reforms. These external sector reforms include foreign exchange reforms and foreign trade policy reforms. Under liberalization, foreign exchange reforms were implemented in 1991 with the devaluation of Indian rupee against foreign currencies, which means that US dollar can be exchanged for more rupees than before. On implying that US dollar can buy more goods in the Indian markets, this accelerated the flow of foreign currency into the economy. This was done to solve the foreign exchange crisis, followed by devaluation of rupee in 1991. Exchange value of the Indian rupee in the international market was left to free play of the market forces. Foreign trade policy underwent a comprehensive change in the wake of liberalization. Tariff restrictions were moderated. The policy of survival of the fittest is advocated under liberalization.